Hello guys, my name is Larry. Welcome to my channel. I bet you're wondering many times what these little slots are in the switches and your plugs receptacles. They are the tool that you didn't know you had. Let me go into details. Let's elaborate. These are wire cutters, and they'll come in different gauges from 10, 12, and 14 gauge. Today we're going to be working with 14 gauge wire. We'll set this to the side. We got a piece of black 14 gauge wire. We're going to use the 14 gauge slot. We're going to stick it inside the slot as so. We're going to push it down in there. You got to work it in there. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to spin the plug itself around till you feel it getting easier. Once you know it's easier, then it means it's cut through the insulation. Pop that off. Now you got your clean cut, ready to make your J-hook to go on the brass turnip. Now let me show you what this other hole is for. This hole right here, not this one and this one, this is where the plate screws into, but this one right here. You're going to stick the wire through there where it just barely comes out the other side, just like so. And you're going to hold that switch and you're going to pull this wire around, pulling force to the right or towards my hand. Voila, you've got your J-hook. Now then, all you need to do is put it on there in that direction. You don't want to flip this around this way because when you tighten the screw down, it'll come loose. Just like that. Perfect. Now you know you've got the tool that you said you didn't have or you didn't think you had to do your electrical work. This is also a tool that many electricians don't tell you about, or maybe electricians don't know about it. Tool built into the switches and receptacles. Hit the like, subscribe, stay tuned for future videos.